Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fifth lesson of D2 chapter number 4 exercise 4C factorization by using special algebraic identities. In this lesson I will solve question number 6 of intermediate level that says factorize each of the following expressions completely. Before going to the lesson, I want to say that concepts of maths requires regular written reinforcement and integration of concepts with the previous concepts. So I hope you have reinforced the previous concepts well. Let's move to the question and read the question. First part of the question is 36m square minus 48mn plus 16n square. I've written the question again. Now here I have to decide that which method I will be applying here. Either I can go with hit and trial, but preferably if we look at the question, 36 is a perfect square and 16 is a perfect square, and we have the negative sign with the product of their square root at middle place. So we will be preferably going with one of the algebraic identities, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So according to that, what I will be doing, I have to express this 36m square in form of a whole square, and I have to write, think about the number whose square is 36, 6m whole square, coming to the last part, plus 16 n square. What is the number whose square is 16, that is 4n whole square, coming to the middle place, minus 2 from the formula and a from the first place, that is 6m, and b from the second place, that is 4n. If in our mind we multiply these three numbers, 6 multiplied by 4 is 24, multiplied by 2 is 48, I can get this number back. So what I will be doing in the next step, 6m whole square minus 2 into 6 into 4 mn plus 4n whole square. Now I have to write it in form of a minus b whole square. So what we have to do, we will take a from the first place, b from the last place, and in between we have the negative sign. So my expression will take the form 6m minus 4n whole square. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is 1 over 3p square minus 2 by 3p cube plus 1 over 3q square. If we look at the question has 1 over 3 as a common factor. So extract that common factor out. So I'll write 1 over 3 outside the bracket, and this will become p square minus 2pq and plus q square, because this 1 over 3 and the denominator 3 is out. Now express it in form of the identity 1 over 3 into p whole square plus q whole square minus 2 a from the first place, that is p, and b from the second place, that is q, and I can finally write it in the form 1 over 3 into p minus q whole square. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is 16r square minus rs plus 1 over 64s square. Here I will repeat that we should have the good command on the tables for the clarity of this lesson. For 16, think about the number whose square gives you 16 back. Inside the bracket, actually I have to write the square root of this number. So I will write it 4r whole square, and for 1 over 64. For 64, what is the number whose square is 64? That is 8. 1 over 8 s whole square, and coming to the middle place, 2 from the formula, a from the first bracket, that is 4r, and b is 1 over 8s. Now if in our mind we are simplifying these two terms, 4 to the 8 upon 8, I can get this term back. Now for the final step, what we have to do is that we have to take 4r, that is a, and minus 1 over 8 and s, and write it in form of whole square. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is 25 minus 10 tu plus t square u square. First express it in form of the identity. For 25, the suitable number whose square will give me 25 back is 5 square. For the last part, this will become tu whole square, and at the middle place I have to write minus 2 a from the first place, that is 5 multiplied by tu. Now when I will be multiplying this 5 by 2, I can get this number back. Now I have to write it in form of a minus b whole square. So for that purpose, what we have to do, we will be taking a from the first place and b from the second place, that is 5 minus tu whole square. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and press bell icon to get notification of every lesson in time, and write your comments in comment section. Thank you very much.